dear students, and welcome back to Dr. Saurav's classes. Now listen up. We are officially launching our crash course for the MSc Integrated MA in Economics. And for those who don't know, MSc is the Harvard of the South for Economics. And you get that 5-year integrated deal, but they give you an exit option after 3 years. Okay, and you can leave with BA honors or stay for the full 5-year course. Okay, but to get in you need to solve the problems like this one on the screen. This is not just math, it's survival. So let's dive in. Let's go to the question first. Question says, just a second, just give me a second. Yeah, so the question says, a troop 5 meters long starts marching. A soldier at the end of the file steps out and starts marching forward at a high speed. On reaching the head of the column, he immediately turns around and marches back at the same speed. As soon as he reaches the end of the file, the troop stops marching, and it is found that the troop has moved by exactly 5 meters. Now, what distance has the soldier traveled? Okay, this is a very nice question. Now, just give me a second, guys. Okay. So we have a troop 5 meters long. That's a tiny troop, and maybe they are ants or very closely packed economists. Now the troop is marching. Suddenly a soldier at the back, let's call him soldier Steve, okay, decides he had enough for the rear view, and he runs out to the front, reaches the leader and realizes he forgot his wallet at the back and runs back. So by the time he is back at the end of the line, the whole troop has moved exactly 5 meters. And the question asks, how far did Steve actually run? Okay. Now, we need two variables because life is never simple, right? So let V1 be the speed of the troop. And let Vs is the speed of the soldier. Okay, and the length of the troop L is what? 5, and the distance the troop moved is D5. Okay, so the total time, capital T, for this whole drama is the time the troop look to move 5 meters. So T will be what? Distance by speed. That is 5 by Vt. Okay. And now Steve's trip has two parts. Part 1, that is the phase A. And what's that? He is chasing in front. Okay. So what is the relative speed here? Relative speed is Vs minus Vt, right? And he has to cover the length of the troop 5 meter. So T1 is 5 by Vs minus Vt. Okay. Now the second, that is the phase B. So he is running towards the back and the back is moving toward him. Teamwork. Okay. So the relative speed is what? Vs plus Vt. So T2 will be 5 by Vs plus Vt. Okay. Now the total time, that is capital T, this will be what? T1 plus T2. So let's plug in. So 5 by Vt equal to 5 by Vs minus Vt plus 5 by Vs plus Vt. Okay. Now cancel out the 5. So we get 1 by Vt, that is equal to Vs minus Vt into Vs plus Vt, and the numerator part will be Vs plus Vt plus Vs minus Vt, right? So 1 by Vt will be equal to 2 Vs by Vs square minus Vt square. Okay, now cross multiply. So Vs square minus Vt square equal to 2 Vs Vt. Now let's divide everything by Vt square to find the ratio. So K is what? Ratio K is Vs by Vt. So K square minus 1 is 2K. So K square minus 2K minus 1 is 0. Now we will use our quadratic formula. So K will be what? Minus of minus 2 plus minus root over minus 2 whole square minus 4 into 1 into minus 1 by 2 into 1. So this will be equal to 2 plus minus root 8 by 2, that is 1 plus minus root 2, right? So since Steve is not running backward in time, so K will be what? 1 plus root 2. Okay, so the distance traveled by the soldier will be Vs into T, that is Vs into 5 by Vt, that is 5 into Vs by Vt, right? So distance of the soldier is 5 into 1 plus root 2, that is 5 into 1 plus 1.414. So this will be 12.07 meters. Okay, so this is the solution for this question. Now if I talk about the silver ratio, that 1 plus root 2 we found in mathematics, that's known as the silver ratio. It's the less famous cousin of the golden ratio. If you see K square minus 2K minus 1 equal to 0 in the examination, don't think, just remember the silver ratio. Okay. Now if I talk about the variance, notice that the length of the troop, that is the capital L, and the distance moved, capital D, were both 5. So if they are equal, the soldier always travels L into 1 plus root 2. So if this is a multiple choice question and L equal to D, you can solve in the 3 seconds. So that's the shortcut for this question. Okay. Now this is exactly how light behaves in some classical physics problem. Imagine the troop is a medium and the soldier is a wave. So it's all about the frames and the reference. Okay. So Steve run 12.07 meters just to end up the 5 meters from where he started. Okay. But seriously, this is the level of logic in MSc expects. So this is not just about memorizing the formulas. It's about setting up the story of the math. So if you want the more shortcuts like the silver ratio shortcut and want to crack the MSc entrance without breaking a sweat, join our crash course. We don't just teach, we entertain, we enlighten, and we ensure you to get those 3 or 5 years of academic glory. Okay, so this was all about I have to say for this question. See you in the next session, guys, with a new question of Madras School of Economics in Integrated MA. So till then, bye bye.